If you're thinking about migrating your data to a different platform and you currently have years of customer data that you want to keep safe, keep watching this video. We are going to walk through how this biotech company avoided the risk of data falling through the cracks and how they saved countless hours just by strategically planning a data export. Imagine how much important historical data a 30-employee company can store in HubSpot if they've been using the tool since 2017. That's exactly the case for our client. So let's have a look at all of the challenges they were facing and how they worked alongside us to overcome those challenges. Let's break down the problems. Problem one our client was facing was platform migration planning. According to the Bloor Group, over 80% of data migration projects run over time or budget. And this isn't because teams aren't trying hard enough. It is because migrations are deceptively complex. So they also come with a lot of risks that range from data loss and security breaches to extended downtime and corrupted records. This client needed to move years of contact history, deal history, and communication records to a new system without falling into any of these traps. Unfortunately, previous migrations at the company had resulted in lost information, so the stakes here were super high. Problem two, manual invoice processing. This cost businesses between $12 to $19 per invoice in 2025. Besides this, their sales team was spending several hours weekly on purchase order confirmations, tracking shipments, and payment follow-ups. So their accounting system couldn't access HubSpot data, forcing the team to have to manually transfer all of this information between platforms for every single transaction. And problem three, data vulnerability. During a previous cleanup, 16 critical contacts were accidentally deleted with no recovery system in place. These weren't just names. They were active business relationships with ongoing deals and communication history that simply vanished. This is exactly why they brought in us on the Fuze, their elite HubSpot partner and top 1% of all HubSpot experts globally. And here's the solution we built out. So to avoid data loss, reduce invoicing time, and free their team up from manual tasks, we created a tailored 3-phase strategy. Phase one, complete data mapping. We exported all CRM records, their contacts, companies, deals, and tickets, plus communication histories, custom properties, and workflow states. This captured their complete customer data for protection and migration. Phase two was system integration exports. We structured the data specifically to integrate with their accounting platform, which then enabled them to automate workflows for purchase orders, shipping notifications, and payment confirmations. This eliminated those several hours of manual work, so their team was very happy to say the least. Then phase three, recovery protocols. We restored 16 deleted contacts using advanced export recovery techniques, preserving complete relationship histories and deal progressions. The key was creating documented export procedures they could execute independently to us. And after all these years of experience, we can guarantee you get systems that protect your data and eliminate manual work, not just quick fixes that create new problems. And the transformation was immediate. Our client went from a company worried about losing all of their customer data to having an absolutely bulletproof data protection system. Their sales team stopped being data entry clerks and became focused on selling, which is their main task. What used to take several hours of manual work now happens automatically. They can migrate platforms confidently, knowing their customer relationships are secure, and they have procedures in place to maintain that security going forward. Your HubSpot data represents years of figuring out your business, so make sure your export strategy doesn't lose all that hard work. This isn't just one success story. Research from Salesforce shows that fully optimized CRM systems increase sales by 29% and productivity by 34%. When sales teams access great data instead of recreating it manually, sales cycles shorten by 8 to 14%. If this case study was helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more HubSpot optimization strategies. And if you're having data exporting, cleanup, or reporting needs, but you don't have the time to figure out HubSpot for yourself, book a 30-minute complimentary HubSpot consultation with one of our experts using the link in the description. We'll review your setup, share quick wins, and show you how to transform HubSpot from a glorified database into your #1 growth tool. That's all for today's video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.